My former colleagues at the Grand Rapids Police Department have been in the local news lately because of a traffic stop they did back in March. Apparently they got information that a car was going to have guns and possibly drugs on board. They initiate the traffic stop. One passenger is compliant and cooperative. They take him into custody, no problem. Find one gun. The driver now is chirping, uncooperative, non-compliant, refuses to get out of the car, and then he makes a run for it by bailing out the passenger side. 3 officers intercept him there. 3 officers are struggling with him. And this is where there's some controversy because on video, one of the officers is punching this driver in the head several times. Folks, when you are struggling with a resisting criminal who has a gun on his person, you are way past the point of successful and effective verbal de-escalation. The time to take charge and control the situation is now. You're not going to use a soft tone of voice. You're not going to say please. You're not going to blow a whistle. You're not going to let them to continue to vent and resist. Good job, folks. Good job taking 3 illegal guns off the streets and going home safe to your family and friends.